Josie, and today I'm here to bring you a super cool vlog showing the realization of one of our dreams. We bought a little country house in the countryside of Piratuba, Santa Catarina, so we just left Joasaba and we're heading there now. And that's why there's all that mess back there. Look, there's a hat, a hoe, and a bunch of things for the little country house. And we're heading there. It's going to be a really cool vlog, and I'm going to show you everything. Say bye, Isa.
Bye.
Jack's over there. Let's go. Now we're already here on the road out in the countryside heading to our little ranch. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm going to show you a little bit of the countryside. We've just arrived here. At our little farm, there's a small house back there. That house is temporary. But, look, we've arrived here. Isabel is over there.
I'm trying to find a 4-leaf clover over there.
She found some clovers over there. Ah, she's gossiping, look. There's the electrician. I think that's it. He's going to help us out here a little bit. I'm here inside the little house and look what I found. I almost died of happiness. Guys, you have no idea. Look at this barrel. I'm going to varnish this. It'll look beautiful. I can't believe it. I hadn't seen it before. I love this. It's going to look beautiful. You have no idea how wonderful I'll make it. So happy. The little house is nice. See, nothing's there.
Yeah, I think it's this breed.
But it's just temporary. So we can leave some tools in here, that kind of thing.
But I'm already super happy.
There's still a lot to do here. There's a pond here. Look over there. There are fish, too. Super cool. I love it. A place in the countryside. Oh, my God. But I'm so scared of falling in the water, right? Actually, we'll fence it off. We're not sending anything. We're going to try to put a little fence around it to make it safer, right? Because I'm really scared, but it's going to look nice. Back here, there's a little stream. If I'm not mistaken, that's yam planted over there, but I don't know if it's real, right? If it's really yam. But I think it probably is.
A piece of land here. Over there, up to where Josie is with Isabel up there. Let's go up there because she's going to tell you a few more things. The cool thing is that there's a river on the other side of the street, the Rio do Peixe, on the other side of the road, right? The Rio do Peixe, which will flow out about 5 kilometers down from here into the Uruguay River, the border of Santa Catarina and Rio Grande do Sul. A train passes on the track here twice a week. It's a 1912 tourist steam train. I haven't ridden it yet. That's really cool. I'm recording this video late afternoon because we spent nearly all day doing this. Look. Measuring, I was trying to level it because as you can see, it's a hill. There's an incline here. But it wasn't easy, man. I just let it go. Let's leave it to the surveyor, the guy who has all the instruments, because leveling land with contour lines with a hose, it's not easy, right, Josie? Josie and Isabel. Josie was very helpful.
Look at the interior design.
Oh my goodness.
We're all here and exhausted, so don't worry, everyone looks rough. Have you been working all day too? Look at the view from here of the river. You can see it from here.
Look, that orchard, I don't know what it is, but it's beautiful.
Look at this. This is the little grave reservoir, just as it is today, right? In a while, you'll see this place with a little deck. You'll see it with a little bridge. You'll see that little house fenced in. We might tear it down or renovate it. We're not sure yet. And look at this beautiful stream. This stream comes from up there on the hill. It doesn't pass through any other property. The water is totally clean and crystal clear. I drank a lot of this water, even though Yossi warned me not to. I was thirsty and there was no other water, so I drank it anyway. He's adding water and electricity and it'll look great over time. Dude, for what?
Guys, I look so worn out right now. Just look at this.
With boots on, and I got really tired. I couldn't record much for you guys.
Because we were measuring the land.
Here we were measuring everything, watching the guy dig the hole for the post. Anyway, we were trying to get everything organized.
Later on, I'll post more things here on the channel. I'm sharing everything about our little farm with so many ideas. And we're going to build a really beautiful house there, 2 stories made of wood, so it will be really cozy and nice.
Isabel and I, we made a bunch of those little stone slabs to divide the creek. It turned out really cute.
And this will be the view from our little chalet.
It's going to be way up high.
Don't mind me being out of breath, it's just that I got tired climbing up. Look, the big hill. Down there, the train goes by. It's really beautiful. Boy. But our land is just this part here, like this. Up to here. Really nice. I'll end the video here. Sorry I couldn't film and show you a lot, but it's because we did a lot and we're really tired, and that's it. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe if you haven't yet. See you in the next video.